In 2019, Brightview San Diego was introduced to the ownership group Rita Development for the Gaylord Pacific project. Our colleagues in Denver had just completed the Colorado Rockies Gaylord project. We embarked on a design build mission and started construction early 2024 and wrapped the project up in May of 2025. The scope of work included about 5 acres of landscape construction, which included irrigation and landscape planting, 5 acres of hardscape construction, which included architectural flat work around the property, around the pools, and about 2 acres of heavy civil concrete in the loading area. It also included installation of the atrium space, where we brought in 8 natural Washingtonia robusta palms.
Our customer relationship on this project was amazing. We had a wonderful client who we worked with early. We were able to work through a lot of construction problems, meet schedules that were impacted due to delay by others, and really deliver on our promise.
The owner knew our capability from the Gaylord Rockies project, and they knew they were going to get the best of the best.
When we first started looking at this job as a potential maintenance job, it was a seamless process. We already had the relationships in place, and our guys knew the operations, they knew the locations, and really were versed on the property prior to the startup.
It was about getting in early to the customer. We got in here 12 months before when construction started. That allowed us to look at the intricacies of the project, how it's being built, talk about the irrigation, talk about the plant healthcare early on, and what we can do to make sure that once the hotel opens up, that they do not have to worry about the landscaping. We wanted them to see our face, see that we were engaged, and it was easier to open up the conversations like, hey, have you thought about choosing Brightview for your landscape maintenance? By doing that, and they saw our engagement, it was a real easy choice for them to pick us as one Brightview.
Brightview is able to provide a ton of value, leveraging our relationships with our vendors, extending some of our warranties on the plant side. Our irrigation extended 2 to 3 years beyond the normal warranty period.
In addition to that, we were able to leverage the relationship that we have with our tree department and our plant healthcare and create a one unified message to the customer of, hey, by going with Brightview, you're gonna get a one-stop company that can take care of all your needs and a seamless transition from the installation to maintenance. By doing that, the customer felt that we were invested in the project and that we would stop at no expense to make sure that the project continued moving forward in a positive direction. And that really excited them about choosing Brightview to come in and maintain the project.
We will carry this on into future projects, making sure that we meet the right players, meet the right people prior to initial rollout of the maintenance, and really understanding what the vision is, so when it's go time, we're already ahead of it and performing those projects.
The exciting part for me was to see my team come together as one and come up with solutions together that work best for the customer, not for us individually, but best for the customer. That's the one Brightview model, and that should be the one Brightview promise to everything we do every single day, whether it's maintenance, construction, tree care. We bring in the experience and we create the long-term partnerships that our customers are looking for. If you can do that each and every day, then you're gonna find success further than anything you've ever seen.